Architects have unique demands from their laptops. Detailed 2D/3D modeling, rendering, big sample/material libraries, reliable performance under load, accurate color, good display quality, and portability enough that you can move between studio, site, and meetings. Today, I'll walk through the best laptops for architects right now, what makes each a strong pick, what trade-offs to expect, and which one might suit your workflow best. All the best deals and links are in the description, so let's build. The Apple 2024 MacBook Pro with M4 Pro/Max options is one of the top picks if you want power plus display plus efficiency. It comes with Apple's new M4 chip family, delivering high-performance cores, excellent GPU options, and strong memory bandwidth. The display is Liquid Retina, XDR or similar, with HDR brightness for contrast. Great color accuracy, P3, support for external displays, and excellent build for field or site work. Architects will appreciate seamless performance in tools like Rhino, Blender on macOS compatible versions, Illustrator, and excellent battery life when not rendering full scenes. Downsides, some Windows-only tools, e.g. Revit, require workaround. Thermal throttling under heavy loads and smaller chassis, fewer ports depending on configuration. But for those who live between creative design, presentation, travel, and want reliability, this MacBook Pro is a premium all-rounder. The Lenovo ThinkBook 15 Gen 4 aims to balance performance, screen size, and professional features at a more accessible price. It's usually configured with high-tier Intel processors, H series, discrete graphics options, decent RAM, often upgradable, and a 15.6-inch screen with good color gamut, often sRGB or better, which is helpful for material previews and graphical work. It's more portable than big workstations, yet powerful enough for 2D drafts, smaller 3D models, and moderate rendering workflows. Its build tends to include business-friendly features, maybe spill-resistant keyboard, decent thermals, and ports. The trade-off is that in very large renders or extremely complex models, performance lags behind full-blown workstations. Also, battery life is modest under heavy 3D load, and weight can be more than Ultrabooks. But if your projects are mixed and you often present on the go, this ThinkBook is a solid choice. The Dell Precision 7680 workstation is a beast built for hard architecture work, large renderings, complex BIM frameworks, visualization, and handling many materials and textures at high resolution. Specs in its high-end configurations include up to a 13th Gen Intel i9-13950HX, 24 cores, discrete Pro-class graphics like NVIDIA RTX Pro or Workstation Ada series, up to 64 GB plus RAM, high-capacity SSDs, good cooling, and reliable build. It also includes accurate color display panels, possibly 100% DCI-P3 in some variants, anti-glare options, and port selection that supports eGPUs or external displays. If your workload includes rendering heavy models, VR, or visualizations, this is the type of machine that handles it without serious slowdowns. It's heavier, more expensive, and less mobile than ultra-thin machines, but for studio use or site lead work, it delivers performance you'll actually feel. The MSI CreatorPro M16 HX is designed especially for creators who also do architecture/design work. You get a large 16-inch screen, often with high refresh option, strong GPU, professional or quasi-pro grade, good thermal design so performance holds up in rendering or running CAD/BIM tools, and a build that supports things like better I/O, USB-C/Thunderbolt, if applicable, good storage, and fast SSDs. The CreatorPro line means more attention to color, display calibration, likely higher quality panels, good keyboard, maybe a stylus or touch option. For architects doing frequent render previews, material work, or mixed media, this laptop can handle both creative side and technical detail. Not as rugged or as powerful as a full workstation, and battery might drop off when pushing GPU hard, but excellent middle ground between mobile Ultrabook and full studio rig. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7 surprises many who think gaming laptops aren't for architects. But this model offers high-end CPU/GPU combos, very good refresh rate displays, solid cooling, and often RGB/gaming features, which might be less relevant, but the performance helps. If you do 3D walkthroughs, GPU, accelerated rendering, or VRAR visualization, the Legion Pro gives you horsepower. Also, Gaming laptops tend to have good ventilation, which helps for long design rendering sessions. Trade-offs: weight, noise, underload, battery drain when GPUs are active. But for users who want strong graphics and performance for workflows like rendering, compositing, or VR, plus occasional gaming or visualization, the Legion Pro 7i is a strong pick. So there you go. The top laptops for architects in 2025. If you want all-out power for rendering and visualization, go with the Dell Precision 7680. If you value superb display plus reliability plus good battery, the Apple 2024 MacBook Pro is hard to beat. For balanced performance with portability, the MSI CreatorPro, ThinkBook, or Legion Pro 7i are excellent. Before you buy, ask yourself, how complex are your 3D models? How often do you move between site, meetings, and studio? How much GPU versus CPU versus RAM do your tools, Revit, Rhino, AutoCAD, Blender, etc., demand? Drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your workflow like, and which laptop feels right for you? Also, all the best deals and links are waiting in the description. If this helps, hit like, subscribe for more architect-friendly gear breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.